Today, we're taking a look at this fixer-upper 3-bedroom, 1-bath home here in Bandon with about 1,200 square feet. This is a property where the interior has already been cleaned up and updated, but the exterior still needs work. It's being offered as a cash-only opportunity. Condition-wise, the exterior is where most of the work is. The roof needs replaced, the siding needs redone, and the chimney is in poor condition. Inside, the home has already been cleaned up with new laminate flooring and fresh paint throughout. The living area is simple, with good natural light from the front window and a direct connection into the kitchen and dining space. Overall, it's a clean starting point. The kitchen has been updated with all new cabinetry. It's a straightforward layout with good counter space and a window over the sink, bringing in natural light. The finishes are simple, but the major work has already been done, which takes care of one of the bigger interior expenses. The home includes 3 bedrooms, all finished with new flooring and paint. The bathroom is one of the more complete updates in the house. It's been mostly redone with a new vanity and a tub shower combination. There's also a dedicated laundry area, which keeps that separate from the main living space. The attached 2-car garage gives you space for parking, storage, or staging materials during a renovation. This property is a split between interior updates and exterior work still needed. Because of that, it's being offered as a cash-only purchase. If you're looking for a project that has most of the major interior work already done and you're prepared to take on the exterior, then this is one to consider. If you'd like more information or would like to take a closer look, use the link in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.